Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and I'm going to show you how I made these little earrings, and they're very cute and fun. And I'm going to show you where I got the charms. And then these beads, I believe I got at either Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Joann's. They have different ones you can get in a string, and they're relatively inexpensive. I think they're only like $3 for these little glass sparkly beads. So anyway, what you need is an ear wire, and you need a charm that you like, and I will tell you where you can get these. And you need a loop pin, and I got these at Hobby Lobby, and they were $3.99, but I never buy them until they're half price, and then I'll buy a bunch of bags. So $3.99, but you can get them for $2. They also sell the longer ones like this that you can cut. And that's what I was doing on my last videos, but I found these and now I'm using these because you just waste less. And you get, they're 1 inch, and you get 150 pieces on sale for $2, full price $4. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this head pin and you're going to open it up. Now you got to decide how you want these earrings to hang. Do you want them to hang going the same direction or opposite? Now I prefer the opposite, so I look at this one and I see, I hook it from the back, that it's facing that way. So we want to put this one on facing the other way. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to make sure it's turned the way I want it, and then hook it on the wire. There we go. And then I always, before I close it, I double check because I think I did it wrong. Yep, it's not, oh no, I gotta turn it around. There we go. So yeah, so see, that one will hang the opposite direction. So you can hang them facing in, or you can hang them facing out. Now once I have that hooked on there, I simply take my pair of pliers and I close it back up. Now I only open it big enough to get it through because I don't want to break anything, because sometimes these things can break. And then I'm going to take and put the bead on like this, and you want to loop it sideways because it's got to go through the ear wire. So you want it to go sideways. So I take and I loop it with the ear wire, bend it back slightly, I loop it over, and then I take my wire cutters. I bought these from Joann's, and they weren't very expensive, like 10 bucks, I think. And I'm going to take this out of your sight for a minute just to clip it. I push it down into the fabric of my beading mat so that it doesn't go flying across the room, because you do not want to step on these. Then you're just going to take the pliers, and you can use the double round pliers. I just love to use these. You kind of bend it back and bend it forward till you get it in a loop. Then see, it's kind of crossed in front of itself. So then I'll take my pliers and kind of get it so it's straight. Now, if you don't like how straight it is, you can simply take your pliers. I always urge you to have 2 sets of pliers because sometimes you need 2. And you grip it here, and then you grip it and turn it till they're both facing the way you want them to. Then you're going to take your ear wire, and I also get these at Hobby Lobby when they're on half price. And they're pretty reasonable too. I think they're about the same price, and you get quite a few of them. So let's see, we're going to put that on, make sure it's facing the correct way, which it is, and then we're simply going to hold this bead back with my finger there and take my pliers and simply close it. And then we have a set. And what I like about these is they're little skull keys, or they're basically skeleton keys. But I like how they put a little heart on the bottom. And I'm going to show you where I got these. Let me take the camera and hold on. I'm going to come right back and show you. This is where I bought the cute little skeletons. And it's a Etsy site called Charming Maggie, and she sells them 6 for $2.95, so basically $1 a set. And then her shipping, I'll pull that up, is like $3.75. But what I usually do, because most sellers of charms, if you order several sets, either the shipping doesn't change at all or it doesn't cost as much, near as much. In other words, you don't get charged $3.75 for each order. So I believe I ordered 3 or 4 different charms from her, and these are very high quality. They're two-sided and they're just beautiful. So anyway, here is the earrings again. I'll put the light on them for you. And they really came out cute. They came out cute, and the beads I used were very sparkly. And it was just a fun pair to make. I don't know why this is coming out so dark. Looks like burnt orange, and this is actually a bright pumpkin orange. Hopefully when it's recorded it looks the right color. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. It's a fun project, and you can actually buy all the parts. Like I said, I got all the findings at Hobby Lobby. Those beads are either at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or Joann's, and I do believe I got them for half price for $1.50 a string. And then you can get these from Charming Maggie on Etsy. So, I hope you enjoyed this, and it gives you some ideas. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.